Hello and welcome. On today's video I will be rigging this character, and yeah, it's pretty much like a devlog. So yep, you can see how it's done, and maybe along the way I can, I don't know, give a few tips or something like that. So yeah, let's start working. First, open up the art character rig editor, and let's set up the bones. Yeah, five bones for the spine should be fine, and two for the neck. Yeah, so it can be a little bit more malleable. Um, it's fine, also fine. I'll add a lift node for the weapon. Yeah. Something really important in the process of using the art, the animation rigging tool Epic gives you, is to always test. You may probably, especially I, maybe won't get it right at the first try, so save the template so you have the parameters you have used. So yeah, let's save it, and later we can load it up and change and tweak more stuff. Now let's position the bones. I'm adding all the meshes to a layer so it's easier to make it visible or not visible. You can also make it transparent or wireframe, and that's exactly what I need. Activate the symmetry node, because with this option it's really easy to change one thing and the other leg will do exactly the same. I want to try something with this setup, but I don't want to lose all the positioning, so let's save the template again. That's what I wanted, the ball joint. So yeah, let me say go back and save it with that parameter. And we can overwrite it, so no problem. Now we load the previous template. Load, Derek, load. And there we have it. Just where we left it. So let's continue. when you make a mistake, like misclicking a button, then you can load the template to saves a lot of time. Yeah, that's a good spot for the top part of the spine. You don't really have to be too exact with the mesh, with a proxy mesh, right? Just need to position the the this transformation widget, this location widget. You just need to position appropriately, and the bones will be there. So there's no need for you to try to accommodate this proxy mesh, because this proxy mesh just gives you an idea of how it would look like, but you don't have to scale it. You just have to position it accordingly. So yeah, let's continue. Oh, and yeah, save save the template. I'm making sure that some rotations are not broken, because I'm only rotating this joint like a shoulder can rotate. That it's let me save the template just in case. Okay, so this is the tip. Rotate it as a body part would rotate. So if this shoulder can rotate, it can rotate. And let me add the proxy mesh. Can rotate this way. Yeah, you're not breaking anything if you rotate it that way. Can rotate this way. Also, humanly possible. The thing is that this hand, let me, okay, this point was not matching exactly where the wrist should be, or at least where I think the wrist should be. So you could fix it by rotating this uh, the shoulder this way, but doing this breaks your bones, right? You can only rotate your shoulder this way. Your shoulder? Is this your shoulder? No, this is your elbow. Well, if you rotate it that way, it breaks also. So you can only rotate it this way. So rotating it this way was not helping me find the the correct wrist position here. I don't know if you can see it, but here. So yeah, that's why I was rotating it from the shoulder, like upwards and downwards, like this, and rotating slightly the elbow the correct way, right? This way we make sure that when we create the bones, it creates properly. Using the wireframe is a good way to know where are the most vertices, so that gives you a hint where to put the bone. So yeah, it's good to check.